Namaste girls. Now we are going to start with some general rules of solving inequalities. See, our target is to solve inequalities, so there are certain general rules which we have to follow. Alright, you just can't solve it like equations. We have to follow certain rules. So our first rule is the sign of inequality. The sign of inequality, you know, we have four signs: less than, more than, or you say greater than, less than equals to, or greater than equals to. Alright, the sign of inequality remains same. That means if it is less, it will remain less. If it is greater, it will remain greater on adding the same number or expression on each of its side. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर कोई inequality दे रखी है, for example, if I say the inequality is given 2 is less than 4. The inequality is 2 is less than 4. I am just taking an example of numbers. So it is applicable on expressions. Means x plus 2 less than 4. Then also it works. Alright. If I add same number or expression on each of its side, the sign of inequality does not change. Let's see an example. If I say I add 3 on both the sides, what happens? That's true. 5 is less than 7. Is it clear? Alright, so if I add a number on each of its side, the sign of inequality does not change. The sign of inequality does not change. Similarly, the second one, the sign of inequality remains same on subtracting. Whatever the rule we did for addition, that is applicable on subtraction also. Is it clear? That is subtracting the same number, but that is the condition. Again, I would like to tell you all, that is the condition. Same numbers. It's not your choice कि एक तरफ 2 minus कर दिया, दूसरी तरफ 4 plus कर दिया. You can't do that. It should be same number or expression. If it is subtracted from both the sides, the inequality remains same. The sign of inequality remains same. For example, if I say 5 is less than 9. Alright, 5 is less than 9. If I subtract 2 from each side, what will happen? 3 is less than 7. That is correct. Or 3 is greater than 1. If I subtract, say, 2 from each side, that's true. Is it clear? So we can add or subtract the same expression on each of the sides of the inequality. The sign of inequality do not change. Let's check what happens in case of multiplication. The sign of inequality does not change. Sign of inequality does not change if both sides of inequality are multiplied or divided. See, whatever is applicable for multiplication, that is applicable for division also. You know why. Alright. If it is multiplied or divided by, very important, positive quantity, the sign of inequality does not change if both sides of inequality are multiplied or divided by a positive number. Alright, or a positive quantity. Like, it's like this. If suppose some quantity is greater than 0, p greater than 0, and the inequality is given to be a less than b. Alright, this is given to me. Now, if I multiply both sides by p, the inequality will not change. Alright, the inequality will not change. Same way, if I divide both sides by p, the inequality will not change. The inequality will not change. Understood? Clear? If I multiply or divide by a positive number, the inequality, the sign of inequality does not change. For example, if I have 3 less than 9, 3 less than 9. So what I am doing, multiply both sides by say 2. Alright, what will happen? 6 and this is 18. 6 is less than 18. So sign of inequality does not change. Alright, so if I multiply by a positive number both the sides, the sign of positive to be noted, because the next your rule will be for negative. If both sides it is multiplied by a positive number, the inequality does not change. And let's check the division also. If I say 3 is less than 9, divide both sides by 3. Let's divide both sides by 3. What happens? This is 1, this is 2. Which is smaller? Definitely 1 is smaller than 3. So does the inequality change? The sign of inequality? Has it changed? No. So that means if I multiply or divide both sides by positive number, the sign of inequality does not change. Now, what happens when it is multiplied or divided by a negative number? So sign of inequality, again, very important, very important. This is where children, they commit mistake. Alright. The sign of inequality reversed. The sign of inequality reversed. Reversed का क्या मतलब है? अगर less than है वो बन जाएगी greater, अगर greater है वो बन जाएगी less, and vice versa. Is it clear? अगर less than equals to है greater than equals to बन जाएगी, अगर greater than equals to है less than equals to बन जाएगी, reverse हो जाएगी. When both sides are multiplied or divided by a negative quantity. By a negative quantity. So two things to be noted. The sign of inequality is reversed when it is multiplied or divided by a negative quantity. Is it clear? Alright, for example, like how do we write it? Example, I'll take it after this. If P is less than 0 and what is given to me? Some inequality A less than B. So if I'm going to multiply both sides by P, then AP and this is multiplied by, so the sign of inequality is going to change. It was less, it has become greater. Similarly, if I divide, the sign of inequality is reversed. Is it clear? The sign of inequality changes. It changes, it is reversed when it is multiplied or divided by a negative number. Children, you have to keep this in your mind. This is very important. Alright, let's take an example. So what do we took earlier? Say 2 is less than 4. Multiply both sides by say minus 2. Alright, let's multiply. Minus 4. So can I write this? Is minus 4 less than minus 8? Yes? No. Minus 4 is greater than minus 8. So the inequality is going to change. Similarly, say divide both sides here. Both sides by minus 2. So it has become 2 by minus 2 minus 1 and it has become minus 2. Which is greater? So shall I remain, the inequality remains the same? Minus 1 is less than minus 2? No. Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Alright children, the most important property. So now just recapitulate up to 4, then we have more to do. Like I can add or subtract the same quantity on both sides of inequalities, no problem. I can multiply and divide by a positive number of the inequality, both sides of the inequality by a positive number. I can multiply, I can divide, the inequality does not change, very clear. But if I am multiplying or dividing by a negative quantity, the inequality, the sign of inequality is reversed. The sign of inequality is reversed. Okay, the next one. Now this is by related to checking the reciprocal of some inequality. If both sides of an equation are either positive or negative, both the sides should be either positive or negative, then only this law will be applicable. Alright, then on taking their reciprocal, the sign of inequality is reversed. The sign of inequality is reversed. Alright, if I say 2 is less than 4. Now if I take reciprocal of it, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So can I put it like this? No, 1 by 4 is greater than 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4. So the sign of inequality changes. The sign of inequality is reversed. Alright, so it should be both either positive or negative. Alright, suppose if it is minus 2 less than minus 4 less than minus 2. Minus 4 less than minus 2. So if I take reciprocals, which is greater? The sign of inequality is reversed. Alright, so that means one more thing, when the sign of inequality is reversed, when we did in the negative one, multiplying or dividing by a negative quantity. Now the next is, if I take the reciprocal, alright, if inequality has both same signs on both the sides, either positive or negative, the sign of inequality changes, reversed, when the reciprocal has been taken. Alright, now the last rule in this, if ABC are 3 real numbers, the first, see if I talk about 2 numbers, what maximum relation they can have? अगर मैंने 2 numbers pick कर लिए, say 10 and 100, so 10 100 से छोटा है या 100 10 से बड़ा है, 2 numbers के बीच में सिर्फ 3 relations possible है ना, या तो वो less होगा, या वो equals to होगा, या greater than होगा, इससे ज़्यादा कुछ possible है? So 2 numbers can share only 3 relations, either less than or equals to or greater than. इन 3 के अलावा there cannot be any relation between 2 numbers. So this is called the law of trichotomy. Is it clear? Alright, 2 numbers can share only this relation. As such, you don't need the name, but we are doing it. Just you should know about it. Alright. Now if A is greater than B and B is greater than C, then definitely A is also going to be greater than C. Just take an example. And same way, it is for less also. If A is less than B, B is less than C, so A is less than C. Suppose if I say 3 is greater than 1, 2, and 2 is greater than 1. So what does it imply? 3 is greater than 1. Alright. So this is the law of transitivity. That means it has been transferred from 1 to यहाँ और इन दोनों से transfer हुआ इधर. Or some other also. Like if 2 is less than 3 and 3 is less than 4, it means 4, this 2 is less than 4. A is less than B, B is less than C, so definitely A is also less than C. This is called the law of transitivity. That means it has been law of transitivity. This we will do in detail in some other chapters also. Fine. So transfer from here and here, then it happens. It transferred. Alright. Clear to everyone? So these are the rules of solving the linear inequalities which you have to keep in mind while solving them.